Hi teachers and staff. You might be wondering where to store your teachers' employment contracts, NDAs, or other institutional files. Let's walk through how to securely upload these documents. Stay tuned, as we'll also cover important permission settings to keep these files private. First, head to the navigation menu and click on Staff. Let's find the staff member we need to upload files for. You can use the search bar at the top or apply filters to locate the specific teacher or staff member. Once you find the staff you're looking for, click on their name, then let's pull up the Files tab. This is where you can see all uploaded documents associated with that staff. To upload a new file, click the Add button. A window will pop up with a file upload interface. Here, enter a name for the file, then either drag and drop a file into the box or click Choose File. Once you're ready, click Save to upload the file. After uploading, the file will appear in the Files list under the staff member's profile. The Actions column allows you to manage files like download and delete. Now, let's address an important note about permissions. Of course, you want these files to stay private and only be accessible to you and specific people in your school. By default, teachers can only access their own profiles, but if you want to make sure, I'll walk you through it. Go to the navigation menu and select Settings. Make sure you're under the Role Permissions tab. Scroll down and find Staff. By default, teachers can only view and manage their own profiles. They can't see or edit other staff members' information. Make sure View All Staff and Manage All Staff are unchecked. Also, double-check that these are unchecked for any other roles that shouldn't have access. And that's it. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.